Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a short little video here. It's just something I wanted to talk about. How many times have you guys ordered something online and you're sitting there waiting in anticipation for the package to show up, and then all of a sudden you get that ring at the doorbell, the package is dropped off, and when you open up the box or the bag or whatever it came in, this is what you get. Look at that box. You see that? That is not cool. That is not cool at all. This is the result of not properly packing something up for shipment. So I decided I'm going to make a little video here to show you guys how I pack something up if I send something out to you. And I'm sending something out to my buddy Luca C, who was really cool, had me on his podcast, really enjoyed it. And if you guys haven't checked out his channel, I would say as soon as you finish watching my video, jump right on the internet and look up Luca C and check out some of his videos. He's really cool, man. He's really all about the hobby. I love it. I watch his channel all the time, and I'm sending something out to him, a little trade that we're making, which is going to be for a project coming up on the channel soon. And I want to show you guys how not to do this, or at least how I don't do this, because this is really unacceptable. And this was from Amazon. You're the biggest shipping company in the world and you don't know how to ship a model kit? Really? I mean, come on, guys. This one, luckily, all the stuff inside came through in one piece. Previously, I had ordered one from them that I had to send back because it was crushed. And I guess we're back at it again. So let's take a look at what I do, and I'm going to show you exactly how I pack something up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start with is making sure that all of the contents are in the model. After all, if you promise somebody a model, you want to make sure you give them the best thing you possibly can. So what I like to do, if it's already been unwrapped, as this one has, I go through the model and I make sure that everything's in there. Here we have our windows, which individually bagged. Our tires, which also individually bagged, because you know what happens if tires rest on styrene for too long. You get some tire burn. Now, here we have the kit itself, which has never been out of its original bag in the model. So everything is in here nice and sealed up. You don't have to worry about anything missing from there. We have our chrome. And here we have our instruction sheet. Now, the decals for this model, which is over 40 years old, have long since gone. So what I'm going to do is provide Luca with some of the aftermarket decals that I've gotten, so that he'll be able to put the decals on exactly the way they're supposed to be. So we're going to put this in here. We're going to put this in here. And we're going to put the aftermarket decals in a box. And then we're going to start boxing it up for shipping. Okay, now we have our GT decals for the sail panels, because you can't have a Fiero GT without the GT decals. We have that nice and safely secured in its own little plastic baggie. So we have everything that's needed to build an 85 Fiero GT from Monogram in the box. And now that we know everything is in there, now we're going to get to packing it up. So let's take a look at how we're going to wrap it up and pack it up. Now, what we want to do is make sure that the box is safe and secure while it's out for shipment. So the first thing I'm going to do is take our smaller roll of bubble wrap, like so. And we are just going to take the box and we are going to wrap it in the bubble wrap. There we go. Wrap it in the bubble wrap. shut. And now it's Bubblicious. But wait, there's more. The next component of our packing extravaganza here is a nice sturdy box. Luckily at work we have tons of boxes for all the stuff that we get into the shop. So I managed to find one, and now we're going to tape it up and get it ready for some packing. Now I'm going to take the heavier bubble wrap and wrap it across the full length of the box with the two ends of the bubble wrap extended over the top of the box. The side, the bottom. Look at that. It's perfectly secure inside a cocoon of bubbles. Then we take another one and we put it over. We wrap it around the box itself so that now it's sealed in a ring of green bubbles. And then we bring the others over it this way. A piece of tape to keep it all secure. And here we have a perfectly sealed and preserved packing. Here, and we are done. And this is the way to properly ship a model so that even UPS or FedEx can't damage it. This is on its way to Lucas-C. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.